Hello, good morning from ITB. Today is my first day joining the summer course organizing by STIH ITB. I'm really excited because I will be spending the next 10 days learning with amazing speaker from different background. And guess what? I met Cuties cat. Meow meow meow. Today's session was about tropical biodiversity and marine biodiversity. The most memorable part of today's session for me was the message that we need to protect our ocean so that 15 years from now we'll still be able to enjoy sushi. See you the next day. Bye bye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the summer course. This is day 2. We will go to Pangandaran. This is my friend Wali. He from Afghanistan. We had a long journey ahead of us. Even though it was quite a long drive, I didn't get bored because we were surrounded by such beautiful scenery. Look at that, the mountain and the rice field. Masya Allah. And then forget lunch. Hehe. Finally, we arrived at Pangandaran. Yay! In Pangandaran, we visited the Pangandaran Nature Reserve to show marine biodiversity. We searched and classified it, starting from coral reef and fish, algae, starfish, and local bird. And in the afternoon, we were spoiled by the sunset. We wrapped up our activities at sunset and headed back toward the forest. And we got to see deer on the way. Then we arrived at our accommodation. Before getting some rest, we had dinner and enjoyed the peaceful view of the ocean at night. See you the next day, guys. Bye-bye. Day 3. Today we are exploring the forest and observing the biodiversity of the Pangandaran Nature Reserve. Of highlight here is the reintroduction program for the Java banteng. We start exploring the cave and discovered a wide varieties of wildlife along the way. And this Hindu temple and Muslim cemetery, and we discuss our findings. Of course, being souvenir. After that, I was time for the head back to ITV. Experience like this only make me more grateful to God for the incredible beauty and diversity. See you the next day. Hello, this is day 5 of the summer course. And this is what the morning at ITB looks like. Of course, there are always cats around. Today, we are learning about the tropical biodiversity of species and fruit in Indonesia. In Indonesia, we have traditional herbal drink called jamu, and it's known for its many health benefits.
You can try. It's nice actually. It's watery, so it's fresh.
And then we got to play a fun experiment. Haha, we had to identify different species and fruits will blend further. This way definitely the most fun part. Hehe.
1, 2, 3. Salam is correct, but it's Lokua. So 10 points for you. Score group 3. Okay. Group 2 still in the highest rank.
And our second session was about DNA.
Like this kind of tools, then you can get the data.
We learned that DNA isn't just found in human. It's found in a living organism, including plants, animals, and even microorganisms. And then we had a tour of the SITH ATB laboratory.
Another device for the sequencing. It's called the Mac1C. So in the Mac1C,
This is the tablet device, so you don't need to. So we put the sample here, and then we start for a.
And then next, we learn about artificial intelligence and species distribution modeling for tropical biodiversity conservation. The main impression I got in this session is that making changes requires more than just model and maps. It requires the right tool, strong collaboration, and real action on the ground. In the evening, we went on a herpetology field trip at Ganesha Park. Our mission was to find as many reptiles and amphibians as we could. Along the way, we observed and identified each species we found.
Yeah, so actually to determine this species.
Haha, today was so much fun. See you the next day. Bye bye. Welcome back to the summer course. Today is day 6. We start the day with a fun warm up before the lecture began. Our first session was a presentation from the SNA Foundation. You know, this is Loris. Sadly, their population is declining and they have become a global conservation concern. Let's do our part to help protect this honorable animal. In this next session, we learn about rethinking oil palm. Oil palm is very common here in Indonesia. Expanding agricultural land is important. But if it comes at the cost of forest, biodiversity declining, and even agricultural productivity can be averted because ecosystem become damaged. That's why sustainable farming practices are so important. After break, we got to play the angklung. By the way, was actually my first time playing the angklung. It was so much fun.
Please focus. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, nice.
We ended the day with learn about responsible use of tropical biodiversity for health and medicine. It turned out that many Indonesia plants contain natural compounds like quercetin, vitamin C, and gallic acid, which are beneficial for our health and have great potential for developing new medicine. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye. Welcome back to the summer course, day 8. Today we are go to ATB Jatinangor. And there, we visit the Zoology Museum as ETH ATB. There are so many biodiversity collection here. Wow. This is Olivia. From plants to all kinds of animals. After that, we visited Saung Angklung Ujut to watch angklung performance. Honestly, today was so much fun. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Kenapa jalannya mundur?
Kenapa saya jalannya mundur?
Iya.
Percuma maju juga, dianya udah sama orang lain.
Tahu lagunya? No?
Welcome back to the summer course day 9. Today, we presented the result of our group discussion from throughout the summer course. And of course, we had an exam too, hahaha. After that, we visited the ITB Museum in the Sabuga ITB. We learned about ITB history and technological development. Tomorrow is our last day. I'm sad because the amazing learning experience at ITB is almost over. And ended the visit by watching an immersive video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Pendirian Museum ITB dicetuskan pada tahun 2018 oleh 11 pendiri dari beragam bidang keilmuan.
Alam semesta, manusia selalu membawa satu pertanyaan. Bagaimana alam bekerja? Dari sinilah
It is a traditional custom